Hey, what's up, YouTube? It's your boy, Christopher the Dasher, checking in with another weekly update video. Today, we went ahead and just finished up some information I'm going to go ahead and go over today. But if you haven't already, you know the routine. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Go ahead and give me a thumbs up. And click that bell notification because I do go ahead and upload regular videos weekly to go ahead and show my progression as I show you guys my tips and tricks as a part-time Doordash delivery driver. All right. But first, let's go ahead and get into the video. Today's video, we're going to go ahead and talk about a couple things. If anybody was delivering out on Friday, you guys know that the app went down not once, not twice, but 3 times, at least in my area. It was bad. It was bad. I debated on calling it quits as soon as the app went down the first time. But however, I went ahead and actually stayed in, and continued to go ahead and do some deliveries because it was really, really busy. And I regretted it. Because the app went down 2 additional times after that. I am representing Super Mario Brothers 1985. All right, that's my shirt I got on today. Representing really old school. But yeah, so the app went down on Friday. It was horrible, 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 horrible. I couldn't stand it. I got stuck with orders. I couldn't get in. The app was down for like 30 to 45 minutes the first time. I was lucky enough to go ahead and drop off the one order, and then literally like 5-10 minutes later, it went down again. I was able to get back to my area where I usually sit, and I did get another order. Actually, a stacked order came in. The app went down again. I was unable to go ahead and get the addresses. It was just a bad night. It was just a bad night in general. But yeah, it's all good though. My stats were horrible at the end of the night, because the, customers went ahead and of course were mad that it was over an hour and a half to go ahead and get the food, out, and picked up. I had some customers when I went to the restaurants, they already came in and picked up the food, which was a unique situation because there was no customer support. And the restaurants where I was picking up, they weren't getting the new DoorDash orders. So they went ahead and shut their tablets off. So, there were some orders that I had to just straight up cancel because the restaurants were refusing to go ahead and do the orders. Other than that, it was a decent week. Was hitting my $100 per day. I did not go out today. It is Orthodox Easter. Last weekend was regular Easter for everyone else in America, and elsewhere. Orthodox Easter was this week or today. So happy Easter again to the non-Christians and the Orthodox religion. Happy Easter. My wife and kids are actually Orthodox. They're Greek Orthodox. So, in my area, I was able to go ahead and start seeing that challenges started getting put into the area. So I was able to go ahead and do actually 2 challenges. One, unfortunately, was on Friday. The other one was on Saturday. It looks like they were starting right around 5 o'clock and ending right around 9-10 o'clock. As soon as I got done with the challenges, I was already at like $100. So it was paying an additional 14, as long as you completed 7 deliveries within like 5 hours. What I did notice was this was a booming week. All right, so when I say it's been booming week, the stimulus checks in my area did go out, and Wednesday, it was either Tuesday or Wednesday, it exploded. There were people everywhere. Everybody was ordering. Everybody was coming into the restaurants. Let me know if in you guys' area, if the same thing was happening, you started noticing that as well, or earlier in the week, where the people were getting their stimulus checks and immediately went out to go get some food and deliveries. There were people everywhere, and then it calmed down slowly. And then, like I said, unfortunately, Friday, the app did go down. Other than that, my ratings, were adjusted, because of the late deliveries and, customers just being upset. They didn't know who to take it out on, so they take it out on us as dashers and delivery drivers. So my ratings were at like 4.6. I did go ahead and submit some stuff up to Doordash, and, within, I don't know, this was Friday, Saturday, when I woke up, the ratings were still bad. and Sunday, today, I woke up and looked after I submitted all my information to go ahead and have those removed per Doordash new rules as far as late delivery, sealed bags, all that other good stuff. I went from like a 4.6 to actually a 4.88. So I'll go ahead and I'll throw my stats up, let you go ahead and see those. With the amount of orders that were already picked up, I had to reject a lot. So my acceptance rate is like right around 58%. Other than that, the orders that I was getting, there was a lot of peak pays. You know, I don't like peak pays, but peak pays were in full effect that I really didn't realize. And the orders that I were getting were averaging right around about $12 to $13 with the peak pays. Okay, peak pay was right around $3. And it would kind of fluctuate up and down. So the acceptance rate was like at 58% only because of Friday. At the lowest, I think it was like at 40 something. Okay. I didn't really see any increase or decrease. The orders were still coming in. I'll go ahead and I'll show you like Monday all the way until, today. My completion rate was at 92%. I was having to sacrifice a lot of them, kick them back out, because I couldn't complete them because they were already completed. And my on time was at 99%. Okay. I'm just shy of getting that lifetime historical 1,000 deliveries. Okay. So I'm just under 1,000 deliveries lifetime. Okay. But yeah, things are picking up. I'm going to let you guys know. I don't foresee, once the coronavirus is all done, that this amount of orders, this amount of busyness that we have going on, I don't think it's going to go ahead and continue. I think it's going to go ahead and kind of slowly drop off. But I'm going to tell everybody out there, the money's decent. The money's real good. I've been getting some information from people saying that they were getting record numbers, like around $1,200 a week. Hey, I applaud you. I salute you. It's tough. It's rough. A lot of these guys were telling me they were putting in 10-hour days. I can't do that. I'm working full time from home, 8:30 to 4:30, 4:30 to about 8 o'clock, 8:30 is where I'm dashing. So for 4 hours, I had, this week, $629.93 right around, like 26 hours. So I was averaging right around $23 an hour, which is still good. Okay. This is unique, only because typically I average right around $17 to $18 typically for the entire month. So this month is going to be extremely high, maybe about another $4 or $5 on top of what I'm already getting, as far as the $17, $18 per hour, which I'm cool with. Okay. The reason why I didn't go out today was because, again, it was Easter for Greek Orthodox and Orthodox religion. Plus I had already made about $100 per day and I really didn't feel like going out. I'm tired. Plus, you know what they say, on the seventh day, you rest. Okay. So I did go ahead and just call it quits for, Sunday. As far as the app crashing, this is going to be the third Friday in a row that the app has went down at some point. This was the worst though. So I think I'm going to go ahead and start taking off maybe Friday, or waiting until to see, you know, if the app does crash. And then if it does, you know, hey, call it quits and get out of there, because I don't want to experience what I experienced Friday. For all my other fellow dashers out there that were working, let me know, how was it? Were you guys having the extreme issues like I was? When I went ahead and took a look, it was everywhere. Okay, so, all right. I did go ahead and hit another milestone as far as my YouTube channel. We went ahead and crest 300 subscribers. I appreciate every single one of them that I do have. Remember, if you do want to go ahead and get a shout out for being a new subscriber, you go ahead and hit the subscribe button. Go ahead and leave me a comment in the bottom saying, hey, Chris, the Dasher, I am a new subscriber. Leave me a comment. I'll go ahead and try to catch every single one. Last video, Jib Guy, I forgot you. I'm going to give you another shout out. And I did go ahead and forget another one, Michael Paulson. I forgot about you as well. Thank you for the reminder. If I forgot anybody out there, go ahead and let me know. I'll go ahead and I'll give you a shout out like I do at the end of every video. Other than that, you know, I hope everything's going good for you guys. This is just another checkup. I went ahead and kind of touched on everything that I wanted to go ahead and talk about for this video as far as my issues that I was having. I'm still sending out the text messages because it's all no contact anyway. So as soon as I get the order, I'll go ahead and send a text message confirming, hey, you want me to leave this at your door on your porch? Cool. That's what I'm going to go ahead and do. I shoot them a text. They usually respond back saying thank you, or hey, don't do that. I didn't know that was going to happen. Could you just hand it to me? I go ahead and do what they want me to do. If I do, go ahead and hand it to them. Typically they open up the door and I kind of just reach my arm out and just kind of hand it to them. Kind of keep the 6 feet social distance. The app crashed. The challenges are starting in my area. Let me know how you guys are doing. Let me know about the peak pays that you have popping up in the area. If you have the challenges as well. I don't know. Again, I'm here in Northeast Ohio, doing my thing here. We do have a total of like 10 new subscribers that I'm going to go ahead and give a shout out to. So, we're going to go ahead and knock this out real quick. So, Nikki W., Robert Giles, Kristen Dornbush, Summer Bradshaw, Bald Dump 30, 5K Dino BMG. We got the Finn 70, Michael Paulson. Again, I forgot him a couple videos ago. He went ahead and reminded me. Thank you for that. I apologize. Spencer Ward and Special Ed Andrew. Okay. So again, if you want to go ahead and get a shout out on my video, just go ahead and hit the subscribe button. Make a comment below that you have subscribed. Next video, I'll go ahead and give you a shout out. I did go ahead and shave up right here. I actually messed up my connectors. So I'm back to the old me, bald head, goatee. Okay. But again, I'll go ahead and throw my stats up one more time. 4.88 for the customer rating, 58% acceptance, 92% completion, 99% on time. 629.93 is what I made so far for this week. I'm on track right now. Let's see, I made 629 this week, 5 something last week, 6 something the beginning week. So right around, I think I'm gonna go for, let's see, 6, 12, 5, 17. Let's go for $2,300 this month. We'll see what we can go ahead and do. I got a week to do it. Let's see. All right. That's going to be my goal. $100 a day. You know what I mean? 6 days a week. I don't want to do 7 because I do got to take a rest. All right. So you know what I'm going to say, guys. Happy dashing. Be blessed. Continue to use your sanitizer. Take those pictures, send those text messages so you don't get busted for customers saying you didn't get to order. And until next time, guys, I'll catch you next time. All right, guys, have a good one. All right.